Hello, if you want to maintain a little bit more privacy, then you can log in your WhatsApp chat. But how can you do this? So keep watching the video till the end to know how to log your WhatsApp chats, okay? It's pretty simple. Firstly, click and hold for a few seconds on that particular chat that you want to log, okay? For example, if I want to log this chat, then firstly I have to click and hold for a few seconds like this. Now at the top right corner, click on this three-dot icon and see here's a log set option. Just click there. And now I think you are seeing just a blank screen because I'm asked to enter my phone passwords, okay? I'm entering my phone passwords and now click on continue. And now see that set is finished from here. But later if you want to see the log sets, how can you see this? So it's pretty simple. Now to see that log sets, just scroll down from top to bottom in the home page. Like this. Now you will see a log sets option here. So click there. Again you will be asked to enter your phone password. And now so these are the chats that I logged on my WhatsApp. From these logged messages, if you want to unlog any particular message, just click on that message and hold for a few seconds, like this. And now at the top right corner, click on this three-dot icon. Now click on unlock set option. Again, you will be asked to enter your phone password. See, after unlocking the message, it's showing here again. So this is how you can log and unlock any particular chat on WhatsApp. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon next with another helpful video. Till then, thank you, bye bye.